What's up, eBayers? Making this video just for eBay. Posted up this bad boy up, so I didn't take a lot of pictures, so I figured I'd take a video. So here's the current mileage on it, so 16,688. Here's the full mounting. I never used the full mounting, so let me get some close-ups here. There's no rash or crap like that. So I believe there is a piece that broke like right here though, like that piece, but I just noticed it the other day. I didn't even notice all summer. So do a video for y'all's. I kept the stock bulbs and stuff because I didn't feel like changing it, but only reason why it's up for sale is because I'm looking to get a Campagna T-Rex. So if the thing sells, probably go down one, but if it doesn't sell, I'm just gonna ride it anyways, because I still don't know if I'm gonna like the T-Rex, because it's pretty much just a go-kart, but I think it looked pretty cool. But other than that, I'm not sure if I'll like him anyway, so that's why I don't care if this thing sells. So it's just dirt and stuff. I already put fuel stabilizer for the winter. I just rolled it out of the garage just so I can get a video. So you know, usually you see like little nicks and stuff from tip overs and stuff, but nothing here. It's clean title, my name. I paid cash for it. So it's full Brock Davis. So this is a 240 rolling Toyz kit. It did have a NOS bracket on it, but when I bought it, it was like half broken off, so I just cut the rest of it off. So other than that, I mean, the swing arm's pretty good still. It's a stock shock. I think these years come with blacked out pegs and brackets, so that was already on there. PM launch wheels, all things chromes. They call it tornado wheels, but I think they copied them, but whatever. Pretty new tire, brand new tire this year, front and rear. This seat cowl is wrapped gloss black and matte black, because I can't find one for under $100 on eBay. The shit's still expensive, but it matches pretty good. I dig it. Let me get a side view for y'all. That's pretty much it. The back's lowered like 1.75 inches, but I didn't do anything with the front because I think it sits good and I'm not hunched over like on a booster or anything. The booster in that picture is for sale too, but like it's for sale if somebody offers, but like it's not for sale, if you get what I'm saying. But I thought I'd make a quick video since I don't have pictures on eBay. It's pretty clean, like I said, current mileage. So here we go. I do have a rear seat, but there you go. Any questions? All right, phone number 920-350-9303. Okay, call or text me. I prefer just to sell it. I haven't really sold a vehicle on eBay. I've sold like little stuff where I can ship it, but haven't sold a car or a bike on eBay, so I really don't know how that is. So I just have you come, pay cash, test ride it, look at it in person, make sure you really want it, and then just pay cash and we'll call that day, you know what I mean? So little dumb wind spikes, you take that off. I just left them on because they're already on there, but like I said, there's no scratches or rashes or anything crazy to worry about. So if you have any questions, 920-350-9303. Thanks.